We will see a quantitative MIC today. And before that, yesterday we left in the MIC where we were not able to assign an inspection method. First, we will see that, and then we will see a quantitative MIC, how we can create, and then we will go for inspection plan. Okay. So today we will see.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Quantitative. Okay, now let me jump into the system. Let us open the yesterday's one. The transaction code for changing the master inspection characteristics is QS23. Okay, so you might be asking why there is no QS22, because QS22 will go with version. It means, for example, Q2 by go, so it will create a version in system. That means you did a change, so it will create new version. For example, earlier one was version 1 by default when you create, and now you are creating it, then it will add one version number to it. So normally people will not use it with version. If you'd like to use, for example, your customer says, whenever I do some changes to my MIC, there should be a version created. You can change with /n QS22 if you would like to have a version. If you don't like to have a version there, you can go to QS23. This is what the bigger difference. QS21 is for create, QS22 to create with version, QS23 is for change without version. Okay. Now, yesterday we created visual 01, right? So we will try to get the same one. Now, yesterday we haven't assigned inspection method. I'll just assign and show you our inspection method. Okay. Now, that's it. So this is assigned. You can see that the inspection method which we created earlier. That means yesterday we created this inspection method 02. So this is assigned now to the master inspection characteristics. Okay, you can see. So this MIC, qualitative MIC, what we have seen yesterday is a complete one now. Okay, so saving. Now I will go and create a quantitative MIC. Okay, I'm just creating this to check the length, or I'll simply say okay. Just for our simple understanding, we'll keep like this. Keep in today's date, no issue. We can keep yesterday date as well. I will change.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Created. Like to change the valid date, you can change from yesterday. And one thing you keep in mind whenever you work in any project, as a thumb rule, you have to create all the validity date 1 year back. Whenever you create a master data, keep 1 year back, because that will not have any issue in the process. Meaning, for example, you created your MIC on last week and you create your inspection plan before that. Okay, or MIC you created today, right? In today's, sorry, in today's date you are creating this MIC. When you are trying to assign this MIC, in the inspection plan, if the inspection plan is created in the backdate, okay, then system will not pick this MIC there, because in the backdate this MIC will not be available in the system. So always it's a thumb rule that you create 1 year backdate. Okay, so you can create any master data with 1 year backdate. If at all it's not allowing to backdate, because there are 1 or 2 master datas which will not allow in the backdate, those you can create in the current one, and that will not impact as well. Okay, so that we will see on case basis which one will not allow, but whichever allows to go for backdate, so always you keep 1 year backdate. Okay, that's just a hint when you are going for any project. So now we are going for quantitative characteristics. Select quantitative, and then we will make release. Incomplete we can keep as it is. I'm going to check the length.
Sir, is there any changes like yesterday's background is different, today's this SAP model is different?
Yes, I just changed the theme. You rightly pointed this. So why I changed this? Your Fiori screen and this screen will be similar, because the options what you are seeing here and what you are going to see in your Fiori apps will be same. So that's why I brought to this theme, so that you will not get confused when you start using Fiori app. Because the one I was showing yesterday was the signature theme of SAP, that was ECC version theme. So when you go into SAP, you will be uh, feeling bit difficult to find the options. Okay, for example, this kind of buttons and going into more and navigating to options. So if I show you from now the screen, so it will be easy for you to navigate in the Fiori app. Okay, so we will follow this theme from now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it is only a theme change. So now, yesterday and today, if you see, there will be a small change in this control indicator rules. Yesterday, when we created qualitative, it was only asking characteristic attribute, whether you going to use characteristics code for result recording or not. Now it is asking you mention me lower limit, upper spec limit, and target value. Okay, this would be a difference for quantitative and qualitative, because in qualitative you do record the results for codes, and here you do record the results with ranges, that means measured values. So here you can tell system that okay, you check for lower specific and upper specific and target value, or you can tell system that only check target value and upper specific, or only check target and lower value. That means in some parameters there will be range, like the result should not go above 10 mm. So they don't worry about less than 10 whatever is there, and the results should not go above 10 mm. So like that. So if you would like to have only two range, then you can maintain target and lower, or target and upper, or you would like to check for all, then you can do for all. Now this is same sampling procedure and additive samples and other process same. This is also same. There is no change here.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
This is same. This is same, and this is the extra from yesterday's one. So it will ask you. This rule will tell whether measured values to be recorded or not. This is very important. If you are not enabling this, result recording will not be possible. Okay, so this indicator is very important. Only if you enable this characteristics can be result can be recorded for this characteristics during the results recording when you perform the inspection. Okay, and remaining all same. And this one is formula one. So which means if you are characteristic is a calculated characteristics or not. That means in some industries, they use calculative characteristics. That means when the inspection happens, they take the values, then they put into a formula, and that formula says the final results. So the measured value is the not the final results, and the formula says the final results. That means they are checking some chemical properties, and they will have a formula that okay, you take these two results and multiply, then you tell me what is the results. That is the only result I have to capture. So that is where the calculated characteristic is being used. We will also see one calculative characteristics later, how we will use it and how it works. Okay, then if you say your characteristic is not a formula related one, then you can keep no formula. By default, no formula will be there. If you says your characteristic is calculative relevant, then you can keep calculative. Okay, calculative one we will see later. Okay, so now you gave your control indicators. Now the next one what you should do is there is a quantitative data, because you selected there what should be the lower limit, because you are saying in the control limit that